saying me this will be very very okay. Unia it is saying me ma akwaba edba vibes 247 aha ene di enkomo ye be ko ni akotie abranche bia oye MPP ni a so ye newcomer so nim ni eko ewo Ghana aban a Sebita Frache vice president wakosa no yare ewo your friend is saying United say UK the second most important personality ewo Ghana has a see and the second most important personality of Ghana after President Mahama no maame no vice president Jane Nana Opoku edi jet ebae na the way a jet ne by ni minimum but a branch we anyana no unhu sebi aketi Akuffo Addo unhu sebi o aketi Akuffo Addo a wodi Ghana sika chichire nchi edi akose private jet move from 2016 to 2024 o wa ban mu na unhu aketi Akuffo Addo a wodi sa Ghana sika ya o kan edi akose private jet mu. We will talk sense into some of you your heads. Some politics na mo ye no. Mo de ni ye papa, we are going to talk sense into some of you your heads. Some mo fi na mo fi pro. Na mo ntumi nka mo die. Na vice president ni die and na mo ba be kan we are going to talk sense into your head. Let's go and watch this video. I have vibe to force obedua pomodia na me subscribe button na me bell icon notification adomano. Ebo we are no press all. Share video no be anya bi nhwe so wan subscribe ya sa na obeye bomodi ani enko. Watch this video.
If indeed the presidential jet has been grounded from London to Ghana is about 6 hours, what stopped the vice president, who is now looking 20 years younger, from using a first class ticket, which is just about 100,000 Ghana cedis, or a business class ticket, which is just about 50 or 60,000 Ghana cedis, rather than chartering a flight costing the state not less than 2 million Ghana cedis? Old money, 20 billion. The government and the vice.
Hey, shut up there, shut your man, don't let me use certain words at you. Shut your mouth over there. Shut your twat mouth over there. Shut your twat mouth over there. Who can't Mama dear? Who can't vice president dear? What can Aketia Akuffo Addo ni private jet or UC since 2016 to 2024? What can we? When you more potty say your friend say when you were potty say apotro or mean that ye useless fools. What be general and a woo can vice president dear Aketia Akuffo Addo from 2016 to 2024 or you so private jets, were you able to tabulate that kind of amount? Were you able to tabulate Aketia Akuffo Addo nidie and sana who tabulated just one private jet? Mamini yari ye kwa kofa na abano. And no crapo from UK to be do almost about getting to only 40,000 Ghana cedis no. Na Aketia na onwo yusu for almost 8 years no. Mujira na mu kan kwasi asem se be jimin sem. And I am to send people from 7 Mumubi Munim Yansa, Unim Kasa. Watch the video.
President could have saved this country about 1.9 million Ghana cedis or 19 billion old Ghana cedis. Today, here in Sprinters around Community 18 and SM Environs, almost every 12 hours they are lights out. If you go to Kumasi, almost every 8 hours they are lights out in some parts of Kumasi. We have been told that we do not have enough money to be able to ask to purchase fuel. We have about 3 days of quantum of fuel to be able to take care of our energy sector. And if there has been an opportunity to save this country about 1.9 million.
Did you ask Akuffo Addo also to save this country when he was using the jets? Did you also use that Aketia Akuffo Addo also to save this country for solid 8 years. He was using Ghanaians' money. Whilst the your friend saying presidential jet was not granted, did Akuffo Addo also thought about Ghanaians? Hey, Papa, we are out here when he potty, Jimmy Sem and a wokano. The Sem na wokano when you ye and sana woka. When you didn't think about what you were supposed to say very well, because if you had thought about what you want to say, you would have also thought about Aketia, our former president Akuffo Addo. He was abusing Ghanaians. He was abusing the constitution. Our grandee presidential jet now, OUSU, private jets from 2016 to 2024. Did you also check on Akuffo Addo? Or the a whole seat, akunwa ediashe a whole forerunner mo. Water diesel legumo yes so isi gusu ayama akunwa no. Yamma sa akunwa no bodyguard. Did you also ask Aketia about that he was using Ghana money? He could have used that money to feed the GHS people. You people sometimes you thought as if you don't shit. You people thought as if munim nyansa. Eya mu kasa sebi mu yelo a lawyer for ba mu adwin esuswa. Mu jimie to the sense say mu kasa mu nyi hu say ebiesi wo mu fie da enti say wo ye a o so odwin yi. Yenhwe koko a ne ho yotuntum a oho asankan a o kasa asankan aden na oho yetuntum. Mu ye sebi se mu adwin eswa. Mu ye useless people. You talk as if munum Christine wo ma adwin mo. One someone who can echo and someone who can say they could have thought of using that money to save the Dumso. Your era time now Dumso a buyer. Now Akuffo Addo, now he was using the jet. Did you think about that? You thought about that before coming on air and come and say all this to what imbeciles in some way. Watch the video.
From a single trip, I was expecting that by their own standards, they would have used that opportunity to save this country money. Now, when I have the opportunity in Parliament next week, Parliament is going to be reconvened next week.
Yes.
The Defense Minister should prepare to be hauled before the House to answer why or whether or not indeed the presidential jet has been grounded. To answer if indeed it is Akuffo Addo who grounded the presidential jet, because as far as I am aware, within the last 3 months, the current president has been using the presidential jet.
Right.
And so what? Wakoko rule fino. If fine wo fino, did you go and watch the fine wo MPP mono and sana oba be rule NDC for the anymore? Did you go and watch the debt in your party before coming to talk about NDC? Weren't you in this nation when Akuffo Addo was using private jets from 2016 to 2024? What did you tell him? If you had that guts to come and ask the vice president to use that money to fix the Dumso, your era there was Dumso, what did you do with Dumso? Weren't you in parliament? Weren't you working with the MPP? Why do you people talk as if you have sense more than others? You such an imbeciles. You such a twat and useless beings. Why did you people think you people have sense more than the NDC people? Because you've used your Aketia president used jets for 80 solid years, and vice president is using jets for only 1 day. And the whole Ghana, mupa munko sise epo no ni munsio no. Na musisa anwia no so nka na mufa nhyem yefo na munnum na nyema. What? I have 247 yeju. Ya mo to me ye nyema ma nipa eyem hihye no e ma nipa ni bufu ye pa. I don't have this kind of words in my mouth, but you made me vomit this kind of useless words. Mr. Mechifo, watch this video. Bye.